Hey everyone, this is Osamu Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Today I want to show you, how to use the JetThemeCore. I have different types of footer. So this is the footer I use for entire website. However, so we have, as part of our volunteer management system, so we have company directly and also our volunteer opportunities, which is CPT. And this is a volunteer opportunity, right? So on the listing, this is the single template for the volunteer opportunity for CPT. And we have this just tiny footer here. And also, if you go to member directly and you just click part of member profile. So this is a single user page. So I'll explain that to you later. And I have different type of footer, which is a small one. So this is different from main kind of fat footer. So I'll show you how to do that because I actually struggled with making this one actually. So let me just show it to you. So first you have to install the JetThemeCore and then you have to activate that. And then you will have this theme builder and also template. So let's just open up a template here. Let's go to footer. Yeah, so we have different type of footer for different pages or different situation. And I think this is the footer we use. Just take a quick view here. Yeah, so this is the one. So if you look at the condition here, it's active. So this is easy. Just include for entire website. All right. So this is pretty easy. Okay. Now, so the next one is this template. All right. So let's look at the condition here. All right. So the first one is CPT. This is also easy. So I'm just so include. So this is going to be singular. And then CPT, so because this volunteer opportunity listing this is CPT, and then just pick CPT single legacy, and just so I got different type of CPT here, and I just pick a volunteer job, okay. And also I'm sure, so you can just you can select if you want to have a specific category. You can I think pick that, but in my case, just the entire volunteer CPT single template. So this is also easy. Now the next one is so this one. So this was kind of user profile. Okay, so it's not the CPT. So this is I kind of struggle, and I have to contact the support team. So because when you look that condition. So I'll show you and include. So I thought this is going to be singular, so it's a singular. But here you don't see any users. All right, so that's why I didn't know what to pick. So so now let's go back to, because this is a part of profile builder. So let's go to JetEngine, and you see the profile builder here. Now, here, so this is a single user page, and the single user page, which is I have this member profile. Okay, so now let me show that to you here, like pages. Just open up all pages. Yeah, so here you see the JetEngine single user page. I can even show that to you here. So I think let's just go. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think it's here. So this is, I don't think it's anything here. So you just create a page, and then you just specify that. Go to JetEngine and then profile builder, and then you turn this on, and then this one is member profile. Okay, you just pick that. So this is useful if you are making a company directory page, right? So yeah, I have a whole tutorial how to create a membership website and how to do that company organization directory page. So I'm going to put the link under description. However, so let's go this. So this is a member profile. Now, so let's go back to, all right, so the theme template here. All right, so let's go to edit condition again. So I already done it here. So just let me explain to you. So first include, and the second was singular. And then third is pick page. And then just pick page that I got lots of page. So pick member profile page and then save condition. Okay. And then so let's go to theme builder next. So I already created here member single page footer and also volunteer single page footer. So okay. And also the body is just override the theme body. And here is I picked, I show you here. You just click here, and then instead of create a template, we already create a template. So pick from the library, so which is this footer. Just use that. Okay, so that's it. It's automatically saved. All right. Then if you go to to the directory page here, and if you click view, and you see this footer. And if you go to home page, or maybe even like other page, you will see this big footer. All right. All right. So yeah, same as the this header too. So this is the regular generic header for us. But if you go to organization, so we have different kind of sub header here. So a little bit different content. All right. So this once again, so this can be done easily with JetThemeCore. All right. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.